I'm Jasmine with WTI, and this is my baby's favorite item in the whole house right now. It is a portable bouncer from Baby Delight. We love it. It's super easy to just bounce with a foot on the bouncer, and he stays entertained for the longest time. It's also very well made. I love the fabric. It's nice and thick but also soft, and the white mesh is nice and stretchy, so he's comfortable in there. It's also breathable. It also comes with these little straps so that he can stay safe in there and not fall out. It has little toys that hang, so it gives him something to look at while he's bouncing. The latch on the back also allows you to adjust the incline to whatever is most comfortable for your baby, depending on how big they are, or you can also just lay it flat, and this makes it very easy to take with you on the go, very portable, and also very easy to store. It doesn't take up any room at all when it lies flat like that. And when you set it back up, you just open it and make sure that the latch is hooked, and the handle on the top, you just clip it on to whatever height you want. So if you are in the market for a bouncer for your baby, definitely check out Baby Delight. Not only is this bouncer super lightweight, it's also portable, and it's gonna keep your baby entertained while you are able to get things done around the house. So definitely check it out, and that's my point of view.